The new car. This car is old. That's okay. I can fix it. I can fix the engine. I can add new doors. I can paint it. I love my new car. Let's go to the beach. Woof, 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 woof. This car is new. This car is new. This car is old. This car is old. New is the opposite of old, and old is the opposite of new. New, old. How many cars do you see? How many cars do you see? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cars. I can see 10 cars. I can see 10 cars. What color are the cars? Let's say them together. Red, yellow, green, brown, pink, orange, purple, blue, black and white.